Well, welcome to the Preventive Medical Center. This is Dr. Elson Haas, and you just landed in my office, or maybe you're on our website, PMCMarin.com. That's PMCMARIN.com. When I see people, I'm looking for the big picture. I do health evaluations. I look at people's problems that they have, how they eat, what medicines are on, what nutritional supplements are on, how they exercise. My questionnaire, which you can see on the website, is very thorough in looking at all aspects of life. One of the ideas of integrated medicine is it doesn't just name a disease and give it a pill. It looks at who people are. There are many aspects of how they live. It looks at possible other therapies rather than just prescriptions. So lifestyle changes, one of my approaches in healthcare is lifestyle first, natural therapy second, drugs last. But many people in our culture are trained, and doctors are very supportive of this, is that you have a problem, you immediately turn to a drug, prescription drug or an over-the-counter drug. But there are many natural therapies that work, and that's one of the things we focus on here at Preventive Medical Center of Marin. One of the things I'm most proud of is, out of all the physicians and alternative and integrated practitioners in the Northern California area, I'm the only one and office that works within the insurance model, providing an integrated approach to healthcare utilizing insurance. So some of the programs that we're on are Blue Shield and Blue Cross, United Healthcare, Interplan, Aetna. And so if you have a policy like that and you're coming in for medical care, your visits and normal laboratory testing are all billed to that company for your health care. And so you're able to get a little bit more from what we can provide, because our focus, an integrated focus, is looking at you not just as a set of symptoms and a disease name, and okay, yeah, you have bronchitis, or take this, oh, look at your blood pressure's a little high, take this medicine for the rest of your life and don't worry about it. We're really looking at how did you get to be in the state that you're in. One of my overall philosophies in healthcare is that how we look and how we feel is a result of how we live. And if I had continued living in the way that I grew up with in the late 40s and 50s and 60s, and I was overweight and allergic much of my younger life, I would be a typical 60-plus year male with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, probably early diabetes, on several medicines, and going to the doctors at least every month, if not more, to manage my problems. Okay? But because I made some changes 30 years ago, and I eat differently, and I exercise, I've managed to stay pretty healthy, and I'm happy. I'm happy that that's the case. It doesn't mean I won't have problems to deal with, as some of you will have problems that need to be addressed. But it doesn't matter where you are starting. It's possible to help reduce the problems and improve your health. And that's what our focus is. And within each visit, we're incorporating a bit of education for you, maybe nutrition, maybe motivating you to get going on your exercise. We're looking at all your lifestyle habits, because if you want to improve your health, the best way is to improve your life. And that means eating better and exercising and learning to deal with stress and making sure you get sleep and having an attitude for your own health, which is, this is the only body I have, I'm going to treat it with love. But if you want to make some difference, then you want a little bit more beyond, as I said, figuring out the name of the problem you have and giving it a medication. You need to understand where it came from and how you're going to correct it. And that's what we're going to look at with you here at Preventive Medical Center of Marin, with myself and all the staff members. And if you go on PMCMarin.com, you'll see many of the practitioners that we have here to support you.
I'd like to welcome you to the Preventive Medical Center of Marin. My name is Julie Dietz. I'm the Administrative Director as well as the Patient Health Coordinator. I'm here to help you determine who would be the best practitioner that will be able to meet your needs. We're located at 25 Mitchell Boulevard, suite number 8, in the Industrial Park area of San Rafael, California. please feel free to visit our website, www.pmcmarin.com. You can also reach us by phone at 415-472-2343. Our fax is 415-472-7636. Generally, when you call the office, you will reach one of us. We'll schedule you an appointment, and you would be referred directly to me to go over some details of your appointment as a new patient with the doctor. I've been helping patients for the last 15 years determine which would be the best practitioner that's going to be able to meet their needs.
The mission that I began with, that I still have today when I founded the Preventive Medical Center of Marin, is to serve as many patients as possible with the best quality health care. And if you're someone who needs our help, we'll be happy to see you. Please check our website, pmcmarin.com, and my personal website is elsonhaas.com, ELSONHAAS.com. I have many articles and health tips there to educate you. I have many of my books shown there and what they're about. This is Dr. Elson Haas saying thank you for joining me, and remember, staying healthy is really up to you.